All right, guys, I got another Target deal for you. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna save 69% on a huge laundry bundle. This week at Target, the laundry products are buy two, get back a $5 gift card. We're gonna do the deal 3 times. We're gonna grab the Downy Nature Blends for $10.99. Then we're gonna grab the Downy Infusion Beads for $15.99. Then we're gonna grab the Downy Infusion Liquid for $12.99. We're gonna go over and grab some Tide Liquid, the 92 ounce for $12.99. Then we're gonna grab the Tide Pods, the 32 count for $12.99. Then we're gonna grab some Bounce dryer sheets for $10.99. So this is everything that we're grabbing, and it's gonna equal out to $76.94. We have a $2 digital for the Downy softener. We have a $3 digital for the pods, a $2 digital for the sheets, a $3 digital for the liquid, a $2 digital for the liquid Downy infusions, and a $3 digital for the Downy infusion beads. So we'll pay $61.94, but we're going to get back $15 in gift cards from Target. Then we're going to submit our receipt to the pggoodeveryday.com website for a $15 rebate there. That is always linked in the description box. So then that will bring our total down to $31.94, but we're going to submit our receipt to Shop.with. We're going to get back 2,055 kicks, which equals out to $8.22. And that's going to make everything you see here $23.72, or 69% savings. And here is my receipt with all of my coupons that come off. My total was $61.94 after coupons. I got back a $15 gift card, and I submitted my receipt to the PG Good Everyday website and to Shopkick. So let me know if you guys score.